Should you have water softener or should you not? Let's find out. Bobby Johnson with Golden Rule is here to help answer that. Thanks for being here.
Thanks again for having me. Yep.
I remember when I was younger, we had a water softener, and I remember like putting salt in and all, or whatever that is, all the time. So
still do it. Yeah.
Flashback memory for me.
Still do that. Yeah. There's certain pockets of town that really, I mean, to answer your question, should you have one, should you not? I mean, there's benefits, of course, to having it. It's not a necessity. However, there are certain pockets of town that certainly call for it more than others, have some more hard water issues. West Des Moines and Beaverdale for sure are kind of pockets of town for whatever reason, are kind of known for that. But anywhere could have some harder water, and softening it certainly has some benefits.
What are some symptoms or things you might notice if you have a hard water problem?
So hard water certainly presents itself, let's say like in the shower, the soap, or on the bathroom, washing your hands, the soap doesn't lather quite as well. You get some buildup on the fixtures. You see that soap scum in the shower, on the wall, things like that. White scale deposits around some of the fixtures, or really that's more down in the basement, like around the water heater. You see those water pipes and kind of get some calcium buildup there. White spotting on the glasses, you know, like your clear glasses or wine glasses, things like that. You see some of that. That's the detergent. People are great on the commercial of showing how they can clean all of that up, but a lot of it comes back to a hard water issue. And then plus your appliances are just going to have shorter lifespan.
Oh, interesting.
With the harder water. Yep.
Okay, well, so if we do have that, what are some benefits of having a water softener? What will we see? So
we clean all of that up. So like you said, you have, it attaches to your water system down in the basement, usually in the furnace room area around where that main water comes into the house. So you would have that tank of salt, and then it just softens the water. So obviously, your appliances will last longer. You save more money on soap and detergent just because it goes further, it lathers, it works better. Dry skin and hair, that's a big thing, skin and hair and moisture, and we buy all these products to try to help us with that. Then hard water is a big component of causing some of those problems. So, and then obviously we just clean up the glassware, and then the clothes and your fabrics just get cleaner and last longer. So huge improvements, things that we'd think, oh, well, we just kind of have to live with this. There is fixes and some solves for those things.
Yeah, this is interesting. I'm going to kind of think about this if we have this at home and need to tackle this. And this is something that you all could come out and evaluate and install?
Yeah, of course. I mean, we can come out and talk with anybody anytime about it. Of course, our Gold Club members then go to the front of the line. We come out for free and can look at your options and talk through. There's choices and systems and sizing depending on the size of your home and water flow and things like that. But yeah, we can talk through all the options and see what's right, what you think might fit your needs, and talk through those choices.
Well, very interesting, Bobby. Thanks so much for talking about this today.
Yeah, you bet.
Great information. And of course, you can find Golden Rule in Grimes at 904 Northeast Main Street and online at goldenrulephc.com. Just call 888-986-2424 to set up an appointment. You can find Golden Rule on Facebook and Instagram.